creamy.
Hindi.
Yeah.
It's creamy. It's creamy. Oh, daddy.
Wait, what is your cooking girl? What did you cooking?
Apple.
Huh?
Hangin ba dyan? Apple.
Asto? Pwede ko binuang bilang sa pagkampagod na rumagpisi. Bakit ang kailangan mo pala kang juji ko na? Ipag nga na ha? Pero nga, pagkapag. Hindi lang marinas, maabay mo ka pala ka.
Dito ba mo lang?
Smile sa sila.
Maybe I just eat that.
Let's pray. Kain tayo, guys. Sige na. Pray first.
This is the Lord, this like this, which was
Amen. Kain. Ano lang tayo? Daing or bulad sa Bisayan. Tsaka ng corn beef from Paknaan, Mandawi na corn beef na binili ko. Tsaka nag-sardines lang kasi may adobo naman kami last night, so mag-sardines kami. Kain tayo. Excuse. So paabot tarong bili ha? Because maybe it's
what's spicy?
kain tayo, guys. Leftover lang ito na rice from yesterday, no? Kasi yung dinner namin yesterday, merong leftover na rice. So, nilagyan namin siya ng tubig para maging marami siya. So, we have tayong napaka-asim na vinegar. My goodness pala kami, guys, no, yung pusa namin, yung inadapt ko before na si Ginger, nasa outside lang siya, no, outside cat. Pero, pinapakain namin siya everyday, inaalagaan. Nanganak na pala siya, guys. 3 yung anak niya, yung babies niya. Meron siyang 3 babies. I have to wash my hands first. Kain. May pimple na ginsan tutubo lang. So, yung sinabi ko pa pala guys na about sa yung pusa namin no, si Ginger. Nangano ko siya. Tatlo. Orange at saka combination yung isang color na white tapos meron siyang calico also. Tapos what's that? Gray color. Very cute.
I like the one.
Yung rice pala na binili namin from Save More is the brand is Just Punica or Punica. Tastes good naman siya guys.
Punica.
Make sure lang na yung rice ninyo walang bugs inside, no?
Yes.
You have to make sure kasi
Before.
meron kasi yung rice na may bugs inside sometimes. Hindi mo makita ba? Tapos malaman-laman mo na lang pag nasa bahay na kayo, meron na siyang bugs. Hirap rinse ng rice pag may bug.
Your babies inside.
Yung rice namin today leftover. Hindi kami nagwe-waste ng rice kasi mahal ba yung rice yun? Yung 20 pesos hindi ko alam kung hindi ko nakita dito eh. Baka sa Mandawi yun. Ay, may sa Cebu. Ito, binasa ko yung made siya sa Mandawi daw siya sa Paknaan. Niluto ko siya kasi hindi namin alam baka sometimes kasi yung corn beef yung corn beef ba medyo like taste if you chew like a leather sometimes, that's why you have to cook it. So ayun yung good news, may babies na kami. Kittens ba
Baby
from Ginger. Pero bawal siyang hawakan guys, yung mga kittens kahit napaka-cute, no? Gustong-gusto namin hawakan. Bawal yun kasi yung mother kasi ng kittens, if hinawakan mo yung kittens ng bagong anak na pag nawakan nila yun, yung mother nila magtatampo, hindi nila tanggapin yung anak nila.
Hey, you don't have rice. Man, look at you. You don't have rice. Then he eat that.
Kain tayo again guys. Yung dried fish, gusto ko siya. Maganda siya. Pero meron talaga akong favorite yung dried fish, right? Maybe tomorrow I will buy. It's not this one, there's another one. I don't know, tundaing. Crispy siya kasi nilagay namin siya sa ref, no? Tapos before niluto, nilagay ko siya sa ref. Doon ko siya ilalagay kasi sometimes hindi mo alam kung anong pangpasok sa package nila pag naka-open na yung dried fish. Crispy siya, Ito na. Lubat na talaga. Bye-bye. So magbabrush lang ako guys. Katatapos ko lang mahugas ng plato. Tapos maglilinis ako after nito. Yung camera ko, pasensya na kayo guys. Cause Dark. By the way, guys, you know, this morning, may ano pala ako. May nakita ako sa news ba first. First thing to do, I looked at my news and I found this news. May lalaki daw na vlogger siya ba for the his content gone wrong. Kasi naligo siya sa dagat tapos yung octopus nilagay niya sa face niya. I don't know kung dito ba yung sa Pilipinas, hindi ko pa naalam, hindi ko kilala yung vlogger na yun. Hindi ko alam kasi yung nasa picture kasi siya niya guys, yung octopus, nasa dagat siya no, yung octopus naligo siya nilagay niya sa yung mukha niya tapos for the content no kasi she is a vlogger. So when he tried to pull the octopus out from his face, hindi na siya makuha guys. Kasi yung octopus nag-ano kasi yan kanang dumidikit talaga, nagsasak into in your skin. That's why you have to be careful. So don't rest. We don't have to rest our life for the content, no, for the YouTube, for the vlog. If you know that it's not good for you, you don't have to do it. If you know that it's risky to do that, you should use your brain first before you do something. Kasi baka pagsisihan mo sa huli, baka yan pang kakasira pa ng yung ano no, yung katawan, yun. Lalo na pag kumakain ka sa labas, mag-ingat ka rin. Kain ka ng kain, hindi mo alam kung paano niluto, you know. So, wag po tayong mag-rest, don't rest your life just for the content. Kasi ang process kasi sa pagiging YouTuber, hindi dapat siya madaliin, no? Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming views kasi it's long process kasi. Meron kasing iba dyan, no, hindi ko inilalahat, no. Na for the content, gagawin talaga kahit ano pa, ikakamatay pa, no? Para lang maano siya ba, makapera. Long process kaya kasi yan. Hindi yan, especially for the beginners. Kailangan mo kasing ano yung lahat ba, yung pagdadaanan pa. Hindi mo naman kailangan na you think magkakapera ka agad pag nagka-vlog ka, hindi po. Yun po ang vlog, usually ay hobbies po talaga yan. Ito pala yung ginamit ko. Pants. I put this on my face. Not every day I will do this. I will put in my face. Sometimes, kung hindi pa ako naliligo. Pero hindi ko siya everyday ginagamit, guys. So, wag po nating i-rest yung life natin para kasi hindi mo naman kailangan na kung magtatrabaho ka, sa YouTube, kailangan mo talagang long process kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, no? Hindi mo kailangan i-rest yung life mo para lang marami kang views. Ganyan talaga yan. Kasi sometimes pag nasa taas ka, marami kang yun, magkakapira ka na rin milyon. Darating din ang araw na magiging down ka. Ganyan talaga. Just like life. Hindi sa lahat ng bagay, nasa itaas ka. Hindi sa lahat ng panahon, nasa itaas ka. Just like that. Kaya kahit yung nagpa-prank, hindi ko yan talaga ginagawa. Lalo na pag risky na. Pag rest na yung pag nakakasama na sa relationship, mag-prank ka. Hindi maganda yan. Nakakadulot ng hindi maganda. So, ayun. Pwede ka naman mag-good vibes. Hindi ka nagdadrama. Kasi yung drama din kasi, nakaka-depress din yan. Pag lagi tayong nagdadrama sa YouTube. So, just positive. Ayan. Result. Hindi niya kasi masyadong. So, magcha-charge muna ako guys. Tapos maglilinis muna ako. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kasi it's normal naman na house chores. So, ito nga pala yung in-order ko sa Shein, no? Talagang extra large yung binili ko. Kasi maganda siya, may mga cats. Pero napakalaki talaga. Look nyo. Pero maganda siya yung print niya kasi yung cats different, like funny faces. See? So, ayun guys. So, ayun lang. So, yun ang nakita ko sa news today. I don't know who's that vlogger is. It was in the ocean or like in the salt water. And he put the octopus in his face and he tried to pull that out for the content, but then it's difficult. It's like it's difficult to take that off from his face. It's dangerous. The octopus could be dangerous if you put that on your skin. Could it suck on your skin? You have to know that before you do content. Kasi sometimes yung mga ginagawa natin, hindi natin iniisip ba na may masamang idudulot sa atin. So, kailangan itong isipan rin natin, no? Kasi, okay lang kung maliit ang views nyo. Kasi, kung nandito kayo sa YouTube, hindi naman to hindi mo naman alam kung kailan ka mawawala sa YouTube o hindi. Kasi, video lang ba? Like hobbies, yun ang gusto mo. Maghili ka sa gumawa ng content. Wag lang yung, okay lang na yung funny content. Wag lang yung risky. Kasi nakakasama din yan. So, see ya guys. Thank you. So, gagawa tayo ng spaghetti. Transfer lang muna natin dito. Lagyan natin siya ng oil. A little bit. Mix lang siya. Simple spaghetti lang ito, ha? Dito. Para hindi siya didikit. Okay. So, ito yung gagamitin kong sauce, spaghetti sauce, parmesan cheese. Simple na siya, hindi na lalagyan ng cheese na kung ano. Simple lang siya. Wala nang arte-arte. Hindi masyadong sweet. Okay lang. Which is good. Charan! So, ito yun guys. Hindi siya masyadong like pulang-pula kasi hindi siya sweet. Hindi siya masyadong sweet guys, which is good for our health, no? Yung parmesan na ginagamit ko, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng cheese kasi sinasabi doon nilagyan na ng cheese. So, why lalagyan ko pa siya ng cheese, diba? And it tastes good really. It's very tasty. Ransack na yung house niya again. Ito nga yung ito pala yung oh my god, what happened to this? Para sana to sa bath niya. Nilagay ko sa bathtub niya ba. Pero lagi niya pong nilalagay doon yung mga ano niya, yung mga pagkain niya. Kind of messy. I think it's kind of smells bad in here. Did you read? Smells bad. I think they paid their cosmetic kasi para siyang basa yung sand niya guys. Kasi gusto niya maliligo siya doon. Okay na lang yan no? Yung little house niya kasi nakahiga. Diyan na lang. Kasi gusto rin niya naman pumasok maglalaro din yan. Pero she smells bad. She stinks. No, I think it's from the urine. Hindi siya everyday nag-urine. I think I just found out today because I can smell it from here, from her bath sand. I mean from her bathtub. Wait, I think I need to clean this one. I'll take this away from you for now. Ay, amoy anso. Must be from the urine or something. See? Nilagyan ko yun ng sand. White yung sand niya. Now parang brown kasi parang may dito ihi. Yung pagka-bad smell ng niya, urine. So, ito nga pala si Lady. Hi, Lady Hamster. Tinatawag naman siyang Lady kasi babae siya, tsaka hamster. So, ito nga pala yung binili kong para sa kanya yung bahay, little house niya. So, makakapasok siya doon siya matutulog. Meron din siyang medyo hagdanan. Tapos, ito yung niya, Ferris, yung running wheel. At saka siya yung, oh, hi! Tanawa. Doon siya nasa siya guys. She's inside her house. Her tiny house. It's not tiny. It's kind of big already for her. She's big now. So, meron siyang small na water. What's that? Water bottle. Pero, lagi niyang kinukuha yung niya ba? Lagi niyang binabite yung rubber dito. So, ito, kind of metal siya. So, hindi siya basta-basta makukuha ng masisira. So, yung small niya, ganyan ng kalaki, nasira na. That's why I had to replace it with this one. It's kind of, I think it's 100 plus this one. A little bit expensive, but it's okay because it won't be broken, easily. Won't be easily broken. I'm just practicing English guys, so pagpasensyahan nyo na yung English ko, medyo siya konti yung grammar, no? So, nilagay ko siya dito. Hala, parang nagtatay siya doon. Parang, pumapasok din siya dito minsan kasi meron siyang, doon, shit. Sometimes, dinadala niya yung pagkain niya doon sa, sa inside. Yung small, like, black color, yan yung shits niya, guys. So, ayun. So, I think yung nang-aamoy is yung urine niya or kasi yung pagkain niya, her food has a dried fish like this. Ito yung pagkain niya. So, meron siyang tiny dried fish dito. Kaya minsan meron siyang big piece of dried fish. Nangangamoy siya, kaya that's why it stinks, smells bad sometimes. So, nginunguya niya yung pagkain. Nakikita niyo ba yung hamster pag kumakain? Hindi niya kinakain right away. Parang pinapasok niya ba sa side ng mouth niya, tapos pumupunta siya doon sa corner, at saka niya yung pagkain niya. She will drop her food there from her mouth, she keep it, and then she drop her food and she will eat one by one, because she can bite. She has to be, look at that, she's like a pig. Look at that. He's looking. She has a lot of food. She has plenty of food. That's why she's big. Hello. Hello. See? She's very cute, guys. Merong doong sa sa yung yung binilhan ko ng hamster. Meron silang new ones, pero hindi siya hamster. Para siyang mysia ba? Maliit siya. Maliit. Tapos hindi na siya lumalaki. Hindi siya pwedeng i-mix with the hamster that we have. Kasi, baka mag-away ba? Aawayin niya. Malaki pa naman siya. Tapos yun, maliit lang siya na white. Marami siya. Tapos gusto ko. Kaya lang. Siya guys, wala na kaming cage, Ang cute nila. White kasi yung color, tapos maliit lang ba? Hindi na siya lalaki, guys. Tapos yung pinuntahan ko, gumagamit sila ng running wheels nila. Naglalaro. Tingnan na. What are you doing? Hello! Hello! Hey! Looking for something. So, ayun. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Kailangan ko siyang i-replace. Kailangan i-replace na siya. Replace natin siya, guys, kasi mababa siya. Kailangan ng plastic ito. So, ayan na guys. Nilinis ko siya. Tapos, nireplace ko yung white sand niya sa bathtub niya. Kasi, nag-ihi siya nito. Pero, hindi siya everyday nag-iihi, guys. Parang hindi siya everyday nag-iihi, no? So, ayan. Ilagay ko dyan. Kasi, later, I don't know where is she right now. I think she's inside in her house. We'll check. I think she's hiding there. Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? He's very cute. Look at that. You have your new there. I replaced your sand bath now. You can sand bath there. You can use now. You can clean yourself there. You can lay down and roll around. Watch her. She likes to go there and bite any bars. You now go in. Go in. He's very cute. He's very cute. Look at that. Wow, she's big. She's big. Look at how big she is. Are you big? Huh? Because you have plenty of food here. It's okay now. So bad now. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung nabili ko nung pumunta kami sa ano ba yun? Sa DIY. So, first time kong pumunta doon. Hindi ko naman alam kasi na meron palang bagong DIY. So, yung sister ko nagsabi na meron daw. So, kita niyo po guys. masyadong ano siya, medyo siya dark kasi ano, nang we close the window blinds too bright. So ito yung nabili namin ng anak ko nung pumunta kami sa DIY dito sa Marigondon Crossing. So before Marigondon Crossing, no, you go straight, merong new DIY din so doon. So they have a grand opening this coming June 13, I mean June 9 to 13 I think, or June 5 I think, basta like 13 they have openings on June 9 I think to 13 or something like that, but I forgot it. But I have a paper, like a flyer, so the cashier one time, like, she gave it to me. So I got this one and it's nice. Their items, or their school supplies, their guys are very clean. They're also not just clean, but they're all like cheap, more cheaper than from the different stores, something like that, of course. So this one I got, this is cheap, so I paid this one all like 1,000 plus. And also my son, I bought 8 notebooks plus pencil like that, so I paid 1,000 plus, 1,100 plus. I saved a lot, so which is good. So I didn't know that there's a DIY close to Subabas-bas like that. So I just heard that from my sister, so I tried to go there, and then, well, it's not really it's not really open all this, because it's kind of big store, big DIY store there. So but they have grand opening coming, so it's almost like half done, so it's done already, almost, like, yeah, like June 13 will be grand opening. So they have a lot of stuff there na you can save and you can buy more, cheaper than the other stores. So ito yung nabili pala. So it's good for high school, no, kasi makasave ka ng notebook, hindi mo na kailangan ng marami kasi napakabigat na sa bag, no. Tapos ito binili ko kasi nagustuhan ko may mga cats. Hindi ko pa siya pinapa-open, guys, kasi hindi pa klase nila, no. So ito from DIY also. So they're made in China, pero maganda siya, clean, neat, hindi siya like parang second hand. So which is good kasi makakasave ka rin. Tapos binilhan ko yung anak ko ng marami sila doon, mga sleepers, mga school supplies, bag, cats na mga unan, basta kung pupunta kayo, marami talaga. At saka meron din doon sa Cordova na marami silang branches. And ito, binili ko rin ito. So hindi ito kamahalan, makakapili ka talaga marami dito. So ito, binilhan. Kaya 1,000 plus kasi bumili rin ako. Hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo, no, binilan ko kasi nasa siya. Binilhan ko yung anak kong lalaki ng notebook. So 8 pieces of notebook. So yun, no, kung bibili ka dun sa store lang na for school supplies, you can add more, so you can't save. So it's better na you go check for the school supplies, how much is it, where's mine is cheaper, para mag-ano ka ba kung ano ang mas cheaper na store, so doon ka, kasi kailangan mag-budget. So binilhan ko rin yung anak ko ng paper, also Billy. So this one is whole, half, and 1/4 right, all set, and pens. So yung anak kong lalaki, binilhan ko rin siya ng pencil case. Pero I think bibili ko ako again kasi yung nabili ko tag 49 pesos. Medyo siya, lagi siyang lagi siyang nag-open. Baka ma-open siya. Easy lang siya ma-open ba. Very dark. Sige na, maglilinis na. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung paglilinis guys, kasi normal naman maglilinis talaga tayo everyday, ganyan talaga. So I have to sweep in here. I don't have to show you na magsisweep pa ako. See ya. So dark in here. Hello, it's me. Put your body. It's me, Bobby. I'm Bobby. I know. He's aggravated, guys. Hello! Hello! Say hi! Hi! Say hi!